flower lovers, welcome to Callia Flowers, where we teach you all about things blooming and beautiful. Today we have a project that I'm super excited to take you through to showcase our new DIY Floral Runner. This DIY Floral Runner is perfect for weddings or events, for a head table piece, something on the mantle, or have a few to make a longer floral runner.
Now let's unpack our floral kit. You should have your floral foam cage, your florals and greenery, and your zip ties.
Zip ties are included just in case you need to fasten your floral runner to the table.
We recommend that you soak your floral foam block overnight in water and is able to keep your flowers looking fresh for your entire wedding or event. When you're working on your DIY table runner, we recommend starting with building a base with your greenery.
When building your base with greenery, you want to have the longer greenery pieces put into the shorter ends of the foam, sticking out horizontal so that it brings size to the piece. From there, you can tuck in shorter greenery pieces on the longer ends of the foam and have some greenery on the top of the foam pointing vertically.
Now for the best part, let's add some flowers.
You'll want to cut the stems shorter and have things slanted so that it is shorter and longer. This way, people are able to see each other over top of the DIY floral runner. When adding florals to your piece, you will want to start with filler flowers to make sure the piece is even and full, and then use focal flowers to make the piece pop. Try to vary putting different focal flowers beside each other so that the arrangement looks balanced.
We recommend that you keep some stems longer than others to give it that whimsical look. Tip: take a step back as you're arranging to help with seeing how the overall composition is coming together.
And there you have it, our DIY floral runner that couldn't have been easier to put together. You can check out this product and lots of other cool floral products that we have on our website at callia.com/weddings or callia.com/events. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a blooming, successful wedding or event.